This is day 20 of putting weird stuff in burgers until we get Gordon Ramsay's
Oh, you got my attention. Seriously? Gino DeCampo making burgers.
You have to do it.
Always toast the bun.
Trying to cook chicken by slapping it, part 1. So there's this meme that says you can cook a chicken if you slap it fast and hard enough. But
Don't be so
I can't
stupid.
slap that fast.
Chickens need to be roasted.
So I built this rope.
Ouch. How do you recover from that?
Ouch. Oh no, not again.
Sometimes
2.0.
fast and I'm
Oh, come on. Tell me you're going to get your act together. Okay, big boy, let's go.
You a TikTok steak expert?
Absolutely. Cooking steaks for the last 3 decades. Show me what you got.
Had to
What you
do
doing?
the blue taki, so we
Oh,
rolled the
no,
meat in
blue
the blue
taki. No,
taki.
come
So we
on.
took some of the
That
green
is just
takis
tacky.
and put them
Stop it.
inside. And
don't put them in a
then we made
burger.
a delicious egg
Oh,
wash. And
come
don't
on.
forget, we didn't forget the seasoning.
No,
See that egg wash
after you
there?
browned it.
And then
Oh,
we
come
rolled in
on.
some more of the blue
Use
takis.
donuts.
I built this robot to slap it way
Robot?
faster than any person can.
What the hell? This is TikTok, right? Not Pornhub.com. English mustard.
Mayonnaise and just
What about chipotle mayonnaise? Or what about the lettuce? You don't put red lettuce on a burger, kid. How many times have I told you? Are they antlers on your belt?
get a stick of unsalted butter.
What?
Unsalted butter.
Stick it. The butter will burn in seconds, especially that hot.
Hit it with some fresh garlic.
No, chop the garlic like that, it'll burn as well. More blue tacky. No, come on. That thing looks radioactive. Hold on a minute. Deep fat frying it? Dude, right now I want to stick your head in the deep fat fryer, you donuts.
Which
Wait, you're not going to cook the burger?
half beef and half pork.
Hold on a minute. It's called a beef burger for a reason, not a pork burger. Pork?
Taste of the beef, which is fantastic.
What? What? Gino, how many times have I told you, leave the cooking to me?
Spiritually recovered from
What is
Gordon's
that?
sick burn.
Hold on a minute.
It's the new year, which
It
means
starts
time
to look
for
a little bit
new
like
chances,
Flavor
right?
Town.
So
Hold
Gordon,
on.
how
No,
about
stop
now?
it.
I know it's not
Stop
perfect,
it. That looks like a
but
90-year-old Guy Fieri.
Lay your steaks down.
Sit on the grill first and then finish in butter. Wrong way round, big boy. Wrong way round.
Give them about 3 minutes.
Is that a seasoning belt you got on?
And start basting. Crispy.
Pancetta, it's called bacon, you donut.
Pancetta.
Come on, man. How many times have I shown you how to make a freaking burger? And now, look what you're doing to me.
Caramelized onions.
Caramelized onions.
With balsamic vinegar.
Balsamic vinegar. Oh no, come on. They got better burgers in Iceland. On Island 4. You have to be kidding me.
The chicken is currently
Honestly.
66 degrees.
What a freaking donut.
So we let it run, and it got warm.
Slapping your meat like that. You should be ashamed, young man. Honestly. What would your parents say?
Now it's time to hit that seal.
No, go put the butter after. Sear
That
first.
won't take long.
Come on, big man.
Seconds on each side.
Make sure they rest before you slice them. Otherwise, all the goodness will run out. Come on, big boy. You're supposed to be a steak expert. Hit me, man. What are you doing? Hey, seriously? Seriously? Have you got too many beers in that seasoning belt? Really?
Run it, dude.
Oh no!
Eating animals is wrong, Gordon Ramsay. Hurting animals is wrong, Gordon Ramsay. Share this song, and if you call me a donut, that's fine.
Vegan
As long as
donut.
you're vegan